This is stock number J282 of 2009 Toyota Tacoma double cab short box, 6-foot box. This truck has the 4.0 liter V6 engine, and from this video you'll be able to tell that this Tacoma is extremely clean all the way around. No dents, dings, scuffs, cracks, or marks on the front bumper. Factory fog lights, Grand Trek Dunlop tires with about half the tread left. Factory painted alloy rims. You can see that this particular truck, this Tacoma, has the hood scoop on it, and down this side of the vehicle you can see just how clean the body is, how reflective the paint is. We take these videos, so if you are far away or even if you're close by and you just cannot make the trip down, you can still see the truck, you can still hear the truck, and you can have confidence in the vehicle that you're looking at is everything that we say it is. Just gives you that peace of mind. Plus, if you are far away, this could help you make the decision to have the truck shipped right to you. Or if you want to buy a plane ticket and come on down, you're more than welcome to do that. You can see that the frame and body is extremely clean. The rocker panels are very clean as well. No chips or rust or anything like that. Rear bumper, very clean as well, not one dent or ding. Does have a towing package, and you can see that the tailgate is very clean as well. Toyota's factory bed has the rail storage, has the TRD Sport off-road suspension package, or I'm sorry, just a TRD Sport package, which gives you the, maybe not the off-road package, but it gives you the special shocks. And this side of the truck is just as clean as the other side. I can honestly say I didn't see one dent or ding anywhere on this truck. Inside you get the SR5 package, which gives you the gray cloth interior, no rips, no tears. Tacoma floor mats, carpeting is very clean underneath. And this truck has 9,153 miles, has a 6-disc CD changer, turn dial 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission. See, passenger seat is very clean as well. Factory floor mats on that side, compass temperature display, and the back seats very clean as well. Sliding rear window, JBL sound system, stability control, roll stability control. Start it up. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. And to see more pictures of this truck or one of our other 410 trucks and SUVs in a lot, go to that website, lensauto.com.